দিলে ভালো হবো। আমরা সবাই খালি সবাই বুঝ দিন খালি আর খালি জিতলে ভাগ্য সমষ্টিও ভালো হবো, মানে মুঠোতে ভালো হবো।
আমাকে কংগ্রেসে তো ভোট পাইবই, কংগ্রেসের ভোট দিব না দিব কার আমরা আশা কর্মী, আমরা 395 জন আশা, সমস্ত আশার ভোট কংগ্রেসে পাইছি। অনেক বুড়ো জিতে যাবো গা, ওর টেনশন নাই। আমার শেরমান সারে আইলেও যেমন পাইতো ও তেমনই পাইতো।
আব্দুল খালেক জিন্দাবাদ 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 আব্দুল খালেক জিন্দাবাদ জিন্দাবাদ জিন্দাবাদ
Thank you very much.
Sir, we have some questions for you. You are already a sitting MLA. What is it that made you feel that you need to be an MP?
You see, MLA can fight state issues, and MP can fight national issues. Although they are same field, all related to public, but some issues you cannot raise in the floor of assembly, you can raise in the parliament. So many issues. I am MLA for last 8 years. Many issues we cannot resolve. And for that, I move for a better platform. And as the people of this Lok Sabha constituency, they want me to contest as MP. And my party has projected me also. And I want Rahulji to become Prime Minister. I want to help him. That's why I decided to contest parliament election.
The MPs from Assam have a bad image that they cannot speak well in the parliament. What's your view on
This
that?
is not true. This is not true. MPs from our party, especially Gaurav Gogoi and Susmita Dev, they are speaking well.
Yes, sir. Maybe
They have difference of it. They have difference. They are speaking well. People have very good perception about them.
But people are raising their voice that most of MPs from Assam they cannot.
No, you see, this is not matter of Assam or India. All the MPs don't speak. Even all the MLA, they did not participate in the debate of assembly. Some MPs participated, some MLAs participated. But this, you see, there will be always a perception. But among them, there are always some people who speak, who raise, who do work. This is the difference.
Sir, Barpeta is one of the significant constituency in Assam. What are the issues that you will prioritize while raising your voice in the parliament?
You see, I want to become voice of all oppressed people, all deprived people, all people belonging to weaker section. We have problem of erosion, and as MLA, we could not solve this issue. Erosion had two perspectives. One is economic, another is political. When erosion, eroded houses, they become homeless. They go to the towns and cities for work. As they belong to religious minority or linguistic minority, some people term them as Bangladesh, although they are not. They are genuine Indian citizens. And it has economic impact also. So I want to raise erosion problem in the floor of parliament. And we want erosion of Assam should be declared as national problem. And moreover, you see, IMDT Act was scrapped. Their argument was that this act is only implemented in Assam, not in other part of India. But there is voter issue also. In a country, there are only two kinds of resident. One is citizen and one is foreigner. But here we have doubtful voters. We have doubtful citizens. We have doubtful foreigners. What is this? There should not be. And you will not find devoter in Gujarat, you will not find devoter in Haryana, you will not find devoter in Kashmir, or in Punjab, or in Himachal, or in Orissa, or in Karnataka, or Kerala. So, I want to go to Parliament to raise this issue and to protest of it. It should be abolished. It should be scrapped. Prime Minister, in the election of 2014, he assured people of Assam that if he elected as PM, he will demolish the wall of detention camp, but he did not keep his promise. But I will fight for this case. I will protest of it, and it should be stopped, devoted. And you see, we have NRC issue also. We want a fair NRC. No names of foreigners should be included, and the last name of genuine Indian citizen have to be included. We need a genuine NRC, and for that we want to raise this issue in the parliament. And moreover, Borpeta is a Satra Nagari. Government is doing lots for Majuli, but not for Borpeta. There are perception of heritage city. I will fight to declare Borpeta as heritage city because it is the Satra Nagari.
Sir, you have proved yourself somewhat different than other MLAs, be it raising the issues in the
You see,
assembly or
people will judge it. I cannot say it. People will judge it. Whether I am better, whether I am good, whether I am best. It is up to the people. I am just doing my work. I cannot judge myself.
Yes, sir, you have taken a role significantly compared to many MLAs within your own party.
My esteemed colleagues, they are also good. They are also better. I don't want to downplay them. I am doing my works. That's enough. I do not even I do not expect results also because I believe in Gita also. I believe in Quran also. I do my work. I don't expect results.
AUDF have alleged that your party has betrayed them in terms of projecting candidates in Barbeta. What will you say on that?
You see, they say many things. They want alliance, but they put candidate. You see, alliance or any kind of marriage, it needed consent of two parties, not of one party. They were interested, we were not. They want that our party should put weak candidate. Our party's views was that we will put strong candidates. They spreaded messages. But party has decided to file me in here and Abu Tahir Bepari in Dhuburi. Both are strong candidate. Now they are saying the Congress has not sacrificed. Why you want sacrifice? If you are strong, if you are strong enough to contest the election, you should put your contest. You should not beg. Why you are begging? Why you are asking for sacrifice? It means you are not winning Barpeta seat. You are losing. Then you are in the field, you are in the fray to just to defeat us. And people will understand it. Our party's view was clear and is clear. Because in the meeting of 20th January of this year, party has cleared that there will be no open or secret understanding with AUDF.
Sir, you are one of the leading person in Assam Congress. You have taken a significant role in decision-making process in the state Congress. So, what is your expected result from this election? How many seats will the Congress win in Assam?
Congress will do better. In last election, we won just 3 seats. This time, it may be triple, but one thing I can say, it will be more than double. But it may become triple also, or become more also. Personally, I am expecting at least 10 seats. At least we will win 10 seats from Assam.
Sir, thank you so much for giving us your valuable time.
Most welcome, but one thing I can assure my people through you that I will always work for development of my constituency and I will always try to become voice of all deprived people, all oppressed people, all people belonging to the weaker section, and I will be a crusader for democracy and secularism.